guys, good morning. It's been a while. Today I'm going on the road. I have a lot of stuff to do today. So as you guys see, I just leave out. So link up with you guys when I'm on the road. Destination number 1, which is a bank. So yeah, just finished with the bank. It wasn't that bad after all. So right now I'm going to cross the road, ship me, go pick up a package. So one thing down, next one to go. So journey with me to Whip on the road and cross road now. I just leave ship me. It wasn't that bad after all because they're actually moving a bit fast. So that's a good thing. So anyways, I'm going downtown now, get some stuff, get some food, and then go home. So downtown, yes, downtown time now. But then at Tasties, we'll buy something to eat. We'll buy one soup this time. I'll show you the soup as usual, and then I just one icon, the downtown in at Tasties. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the soup, guys. I got her pixie today. I love it. And she said she love it. And I got mine. So me love mine and she love fear one son. I'm just coming in car work because I'm on my vacation. So we call it a burger. Yeah, she have burger. Unlike me, I'm going on a diet. So I stopped eating meat. So I've been eating fish.
Let's just say how long take it up on there for?
That's the question. How long though? So what give me some I'll be a fisherman now. Fish, vegetables, soup. But that's all. I never eat tofu, you know. So
if everybody good in Vlog World, in Peter Gay Life,
yes.
so on. Some just
big up yourself with your pixie.
Thank you so much for your gift.
You're welcome. Yeah, we're gonna start one out.
Happy belated New Year for everybody out there.
Yeah, and hope them have a good one. So I
have a blessed 2019.
Well, my 2019 is alright. What about yours?
Just start still, so because see what I want. See the plans for 2019. Sure.
Guys, don't watch me here. Remember, some I'm milk away. Got us me can't bother. So, anyways, we're gonna start because the color so I forgot you. So, eat that for now. Peace. I forgot to show you the finished product of the fish, but see some right there. The fish and yam and chin, but yeah, she don't want to show. So yeah, sorry guys, next time. We cooked some fish, we had it, but I forgot to show you my plate. However, I'm going to show you what's in the pot. This is fish, stew fish. I was stewards, but remember, yeah, we'll cook it down so stew fish and yam. So fish and yam it was. Yes, it's the next day, so never really vlog much last few days. So I was like in my bed, like I feel for a snack, but rain was falling, so I'm gonna stay inside. But I'm just coming down the road to buy cheese and crackers. Cheese and crackers. So that's what I'm gonna get right now. Some mouth crackers already. Some I just a water crackers. No, a normal crackers. I'm gonna get cheese. I'm gonna get juice. And that's just one snack until I cook again. Guys, oh, just to let you know, because you guys are seeing the fish. I'm on a, what do I call it, diet? No, I'm just cut off of meat, beef, pork, for now. So I'm just eating like fish, shrimp, fish, and so yeah, journey to me to the shop, I guess. So guys, I just left around the road. I got my bag of goodies. So when I reach inside, I share what I got. Then let's go watch some videos, vlogs as usual. So Chin's supposed to reach on mine now. So yeah. That's what I got. Carbs, cheese, I have my cream crackers, and I got kiss cake, but I had one already, so the next one is in there. So this is my little, what would I call it? Little snack for. And look who it is. She reached home from school.
Yeah.
So she have me, I go down the road.
Got print out English work, you know, so the work have done.
Yeah. Cause CXC right around the corner. So
Stop remember about it now, I'm time remember about it, I had us.
why you ask you for when you get the word CXC? Why?
Because I don't believe in failure.
You're not gonna fail. Guys tell Chin say to just put her mind to it and try to get the job done. And that CXC is just a normal test, but just everybody in the Caribbean is doing it as usual. Just a normal end of term or a classroom test, but I just do it to everybody in the Caribbean. So yeah, guys. The home team. Guys, we are currently waiting right now.
What's funny is me that doing that.
Yeah. So I'm chilling next to the camera. How funny, and I run tours. Watch it. You see it now, eh? Yeah, my natural maximum friend. Guys, I just do chin here. Murder part here. What you do to mine?
Yeah,
When you come save me, because of what this?
we don't know to hear, but let's start playing there. After you know what I'm in your ear.
Yeah, my ear would nice and soft for you for put your rusty and them in my ear. You must not say after she right. So guys, we're just there. I'll go and bill. So
It's a chick chop.
that's what up. So yeah. Guys, keep in mind that if you want to donate to my channel, my PayPal link is in the description box. And it's also in the comment section as well. So go and donate if you like to. And also, what next? Follow me on all my social medias. I'm always live. I'm always on Snapchat, especially that one year. Always up on my Snapper post. And my Facebook fan page, go over there and like it. And we can also talk. You can inbox me and so. Guys, right now we're to get dinner. So follow me and chill on my phone to get some dinner now.